Okay, we are live. Hello, Shabir. Good evening, Akshay. Will the date of course be extended by 1 day? Yes, it will be. And I apologize for the same, but I just got vaccinated yesterday and I was unable to come live. Though I had planned to come to, but uh, I just couldn't. It became impossible for me to just get up from the bed. So I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry, guys, that I did not take the class yesterday. But yeah, kind of missing streaming now. So yeah, we are back again. So let's wait for approximately 3 minutes so that all the people have a chance to join in. Everybody gets the notifications from different places and they join up. Let's see. Till then, if you can just take the link, put it as your status or something, or maybe send it to your friends, means a lot for me and will kind of get us more students who we can mentor together. So if you can, just do that. Come on, guys. If you can just forward it up, it's gonna be a very good thing for me. And just to inform you guys, today is kind of gonna be a very interesting kind of a session because I have got something new for you. Okay, so I've got something new for you, and you guys are gonna love it. Trust me, because it is something I did not decide beforehand. So let's see. Explain position, please. Pose it on, please. Okay, okay. ठीक है. Let's see how many people join in by 5 exactly, and then we can just start up. Okay. Come on, guys. All those who are watching me right now, give me a hi in the chat. I have 17 people watching. I want to see how many of you are attentive and give me a hi in the chat. I'll tell you. Rajesh. Hi, Sneha. Hi, Akash. Rajesh, Munib. Perfect. Okay. Let's start then. I don't think anyone likes waiting a lot. So I guess we are good to go. and welcome back to the stream, everybody. I'm Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, mentored 25,000 plus students over YouTube Live, and I have a teaching experience of approximately 1 year. So the subjects that I usually take: Java, C++, DS Algo, Flutter Dart, Web Dev, App Dev, um, Aptitude, then some of DBMS, SQL. So all these interview related topics. So these are the topics that I usually take. Moving forward, you want to buy any course or any subscription on Unacademy, you can use the code Kabir and get an extra 10% off of your entire amount. So yeah, always when you're buying something, remember that you can use the code Kabir as you are a student of mine, and you can just get an extra 10% off. Also, there's a career as a developer subscription for you guys. So those who are here, I can kind of guess that most of you are developers or aim to be developers, something like that. So basically, you can just go up and buy the subscription, interact with HRs, get to know what tech companies are hiring, get to know what product companies are hiring, what service companies are hiring, what are their criterias, how you can beat the odds and get a good placement, live problem solving over the weekend projects. So basically code chef, then your college projects, everything. No, it's not just for Indians, it's for everybody. So the college projects kind of taken by Raja Vikramaditya. He's also known as Striver in the coding community, and has a channel of 1 lakh subscribers plus. He will be coming every Friday night at 10 p.m. getting you guys a lot of things, and he will be, bringing this as a part of career as a developer subscription at only 999 rupees. He'll be helping you out to get a good project. He'll be telling you what you're doing wrong, how you can improve it, and everything will be sorted. If you haven't liked the stream, you can hit the like button, and the best part is that it's free. So if you hit the like button, I will get a like and it will be free. Understand? Also, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet and have not become a part of Kabir Singh Code's family, the link is there in the description below. Go hit that link, view in Telegram, and join the channel so that you can get updates on all the courses, all the free content, and all the live streams that I do. Correct? What are we going to do today is the main question everybody asks before we start the stream. And that's why I make this slide for you, because I want you guys to know what we are going to do today. Okay. So basically, today what we are going to do is something related to making a website of your own. Okay. Making a website of your own plus making it beautiful and looking at it live. So you'll be running it live, making the website live. So everything is going to be live and perfect. We are going to have a lot of fun. A lot of creativity is going to come through. So stick along if you want to have a creative kind of a thing. So yeah. Good evening, Sabita. Long time. Hi, Yugendra. Hi, Uttej. Sorry, I'm sorry for the wrong call out. Hi, Uttej. Okay. Good evening, Sachin Kumar. कैसे हो सब? You're excited to create a website? Let's get started. So basically, now listen to me. Let me just tell you what agenda I'm going to follow, how I'm going to make this website with you guys, and how are you going to get through it. Okay? Everything is going to be done in a systematic manner, and I won't be rushing things, because I want you guys to understand what is every tag, what is the work of every tag and everything. Okay? So yeah, perfect. We get our notes, let it just load. HTML and CSS. We are going to name it day 2. I'm so sorry for not taking the class yesterday. Again, just A humble apology from my side. Let's go. Perfect. So guys, basically what is going to happen today is that we are going to learn some tags first. So yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday, we had gone through a lot of tags in HTML and CSS, not HTML, CSS, HTML. So today we are going to use those tags that are called as elements also. So we are going to use different tags, code them live, see what they do, and then what we are going to do, use the same knowledge to create a website for our own. We are going to create a complete website today in 2 sessions, 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. or 6 p.m. 6:15 p.m. to 7 p.m. 7:15 p.m. Perfect. 2 sessions today, back to back, creating a website of our own, which is gonna look very cute, which is gonna be very beautiful, and will have a lot and a lot of design in it. Perfect. Give me a yes or a no. Sorry for the wrong tab. Yeah. Okay. So till now we haven't done a lot. So I'll just make a new file called as intro.html. Okay. And one by one, we are going to go through tags and we are going to code those tags right now. Okay. So whenever you are starting a new page, whenever you're starting something new, hi Chetan Mathur, I just went through a comment that you did on my LinkedIn and it means a lot. Like yes, I just went through it yesterday. Okay. So now the first thing which you always and always need is a heading. Correct? Is a heading in your HTML file. So the shortcut which I told you, shift plus exclamation plus enter, will give you this file. Will give you this blueprint. No, what do you call it? Boilerplate. I'm sorry. So it's going to give you a boilerplate, and this you can use to make your code. Okay. And all these things which are written over here, all the metas, if you don't use them, won't matter much. It's not that much of a task to always and always use that, but you can still do it. Okay. I'll just give you one small insights. Screen not clear. Hello, Jigsaw Minds. How are you? Screen not clear because you're watching at 144p. Go to 1080p HD. You will be able to see everything pretty clear. Guys, is the screen clear for everybody? Or is it unclear for all of you? Because I don't think it's going to be unclear. Is it unclear, guys? Anybody? It's clear, right? Okay. So now what we are going to do is run this file in a live server. And I am going to share that tab with you so that we can just, right click on it and run a live server. Don't show again. It's a document. Let me just go to a new file in OBS. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is something what it looks like. Yeah. So I'll just keep it around here. And every time we do something, you will be seeing the changes reflect. Okay. Let's keep it small so that you can just see. Okay. So now what is going to happen is that, can you see that the title is documents over here? That the title is documents. Let's say we are going to study the heading tag first. So let's name it headings. If I hit Control S and I see the tab name goes from document to headings. Okay. Aparchit Sharma, if you want to know about the meta tags, UTF-8, etc., I did it in the day before yesterday's session. You can just go and have a look. Okay. So this is how your headings kind of change. I don't know if you're very, if you can see it very clearly, but if I just zoom it up, it looks something like this. Okay. Sure. Moving on. What else can we do? How can you write headings in HTML, CSS? You need to obviously write it in the body of the your file, and you can go for headings from H1 to H6. So there are different sizes of heading. You can name it as heading 1. You can go for H2, heading 2. It's just a revision, guys. You can go for H3, heading 3. Let me just hit a Control S. So I'll just share this. And now see, when I hit a Control S, you'll see sudden changes. You will. Can you see? You just got 3 headings over there. There's heading 1, there's heading 2, and heading 3. So as the number of your H tag increases, the size of your heading decreases. Okay. This is your entire agenda of the heading tag. So there are total 6 sizes. From H3 you go to H4 and you make it as heading 4, heading H5, heading 5, and the last is H6 and you name it heading 6. Okay. Again, I'll share the tab with you. Now I'll hit a Control S. Let's see if we see the changes. Oh yes, we do. So we have heading 6, heading 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Understood? Yes or no? Easy. Not much. Not very difficult. Not something very complex. Pretty easy and pretty understandable. This is your first heading tag. Okay. Chalo. The next tag is basically your paragraph tag. Okay. So when you're talking about a paragraph tag, the first thing which you have to change is your title, because now we are not talking about headings anymore. We are talking about some paragraphs. So let's go for a paragraph. And if I just share it with you and I hit a Control S, you can see that the tab name changes from heading to paragraph. Okay. Now we'll combine our knowledge one by one. So right now we studied headings, right? Let's remove all the small headings and just keep H1. Okay. And now what we're going to do is study paragraphs under this heading. So let's just write a paragraph with the tag P and write, this is my first paragraph. Okay. Easy. This is my first paragraph. Not much, not difficult, not very complex. Let's see if I Control S this thing, what is going to happen. Okay. Something like this is showing up, where I have my first paragraph and then I have my where I have my heading and then my first paragraph. If I want to add one more, I'll just go again P. This is my second paragraph. Control S. Let's see if it prompts. Does it? Yes, it does. This is my second paragraph. Okay. Now, if I want to go for another one, I can just go and say P and say it's a third paragraph. This is my third paragraph. Okay. वापस से Control S. Let's see what happens. If I get it or not. I get my third paragraph over here. This is my third paragraph. So first, second, third. But sir, you are getting things boring. Yeah? Can you tell us something else about this? Can you tell us something more about paragraphs? So, this is very simple. If you want to add text in your paragraph, but you want to add it in the next line. What if I want to add something in my second paragraph or maybe in the third paragraph and I want it to be in the next line? I can use the tag BR okay inside my paragraph tag, and I can write this is blah 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 blah. Okay, let's hit Control S and see what happens. So I wrote something in the same paragraph, but it went to the next line. Understood? And how I can say it's going to the next line? Because when I made 3 paragraphs, they had some extra line spacing, but when I'm writing in the same paragraph, it has less line spacing. So it's kind of in the same criteria or in the same boundary kind of a thing. Yeah. Give me a yes or a no. Yes or a no, guys. Tell me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I was trying to tell you, that when you kind of let me just put my phone here to read the chat. Yeah. So when you're kind of making one paragraph and then you go to the next paragraph tag, you have extra line spacing to divide those paragraphs. But when you're writing in the same paragraph with a BR tag, that is break tag, which breaks your paragraph into 2 parts and makes you go to the next line, you kind of get something like this. Understood? Yes or no? Yeah. So now what we're going to do is, this was your entire paragraph tag. And then also you can just, after this paragraph, after this break tag ends, you can still write this is blah, 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 blah. Control S. See what happens. You get one more blah, blah, blah. But again, in the next line, because it's after the break tag. So the break tag gives you one line. Understood? Easy. Not very difficult, not very complex. Just a simple context of your adding text and all that. Okay? Understood? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, people. Can you provide notes for HTML or like a cheat sheet? Yes, I will be providing you a cheat sheet by the end of this course. Okay. So now why I am telling you all this and why I am giving you knowledge about all this is that so that you can kind of start to understand when I make the website for you guys. So when we'll make the website, you will be understanding what we are doing. Okay. Understood? Chalo. Let's go to the next part. And what do I have for you? What is the next tag? Can somebody tell me what will be the next tag? Anybody knows? Give me some tags which we have missed. Any tag which we have missed? Div, okay. Div tag तो ठीक है, वो तो हो ही जाएगा. Div tag तो is kind of that, but okay. Span, very good. So now I'll tell you one thing. Now we will design our website. Okay, because I don't want to waste your time. I don't want you to guys. I don't want you guys to get bored. Being very honest, I'm not a guy who kind of bores out his students. So let's design our website now. Are you guys ready to use some extra brains of yours and design a website? So let's say website. Will it give me a website? Yes, it is gonna give me a website. Okay, let's go for a blank one. I hope you're able to see. And I'm gonna increase the size of my yep. Yes, perfect. Okay, so guys, now we are going to, yeah, table and all we'll do right now, but let's first design our website. So what kind of a color do you like? Let's see. Let's check out our backgrounds. Okay, let's see what color we can put in our. We can go for a, what do you call, what is this color? Turquoise blue for our background. I guess turquoise blue works fine for everybody. Turquoise blue, guys, come on. I want you guys to be creative. I want you guys to be telling me about what you want to do and telling me how to make this. Okay, so we're gonna make it turquoise blue. And I was just thinking what all I would put so that I can make a beautiful kind of a website. And being very honest, I am a person who likes aesthetic things. So if you've seen, if anyone knows about the brand called as Champak, it's a brand which is very aesthetic and it's having that old school kind of a thing. So I was thinking, and I've tried this before, I guess I don't remember, but I wanted to kind of add the old school Vespa scooter kind of a thing in the website. So kind of like this, something like this in the center. Yeah, like it won't be moving obviously, but yeah, we can add some scooter kind of a thing like this. Yeah, this works fine. Something like this. Okay, and then my website is gonna say something called as, hi, I am Kabir. Okay, this is bad. Let's keep it simple. So I'll say, my website will say, I am Kabir Singh. Comic, yeah, kind of a comic and all that. Correct. Comic kind of a thing. So still not very aesthetic. Still doesn't look very appealing to me. Let's add some clouds. Let's make it more beautiful. Let's add some perfect clouds. So I guess, and if you guys like this idea, we will try making this moving also in the next one. Okay, something like this. No. Yeah, looks good. Give me a yes or a no, guys. Does it look good? Or maybe we can just try adding something else. Let's search aesthetic. Let's see what comes in aesthetic, okay? Nothing very appealing. Let's see what comes in coding. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, does this look good or something else? Tell me, does this look good or the scooter kind of a thing was better? Okay, this is perfect. Now it looks, I guess, very, very nice. Tell me, does this front page look very good, or do you want me to change it? See, how is it? Is it okay, or is it good? Or you wanna change some colors? Or you guys are loving it? Anything acceptable? Good. Yeah, I guess it's good. The only thing will be that our things won't be moving. ठीक है? So I guess it works. क्या सर आप वेब डेवलपर का कोर्स करा रहे हैं? Yes, yes, Dinesh. Turn off the animations. I don't know if we can turn the animations off. Can we? I don't think, like, it's. How do I stop it from moving? I don't know. It's Canva. I just can't stop it from moving. But yeah, we won't have animations in our website. ठीक है? So I guess let's not waste time in our this thing and start making our own website. ठीक है? चलो इसको छुपाते हैं अब. एनिमेट ऑप्शन इज देयर. अरे वो अलग एनिमेट ऑप्शन है, इसमें नहीं है. ठीक है, चलो इस 3 फाइल्स को वील डिलीट इट अप. ठीक है, कबीर डॉट सीपीपी भी डिलीट करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स मेक अ न्यू फाइल, नेम इट इंडेक्स, या फिर विल मेक इट होम डॉट HTML. ठीक है दिनेश, दो मतलब आज सेकंड डे है. डे बिफोर येस्टरडे स्टार्ट हुआ था. येस्टरडे आई डिडंट टेक अ क्लास एंड आज सेकंड डे है. ठीक है, तो now this is the work of a developer. Okay, now you are going to get the essence of development, because now what we are going to do is something relatable. कि मतलब we have a design in mind that we want to make, and now we have to completely make it. ठीक है, वापस से I'll make it a little small so that you can see. ठीक है, सबसे पहले what you have to do is kind of decide what you are gonna make. तो हमने वो कर लिया है. This website is gonna be a personal website, so it is gonna be a one slide website where I'll be getting hi, I'm Kabir Singh and blah blah blah, I am a student of this college, I am working in this company, and you scroll up, you get my photo and you get my socials, blah. That's all. Finished. So the first thing is the heading. Yep. So the title from document, okay, so the title from document is changed up to Kabir Singh. Easy, nothing very difficult. Yes or no? So first of all, I changed the title. Second of all, I also want that this globe kind of a symbol doesn't come. I want some other logo to come over here. So rather than this globe, I want something else. So right now if I hit Control S, it's gonna give me Kabir Singh over there, but it still gives me the globe. That globe thing is called as favicon. So when you want to make a favicon, or when you want to add a logo over here, you go to Google and you type favicon generator. You click on this, you select a file. I've already selected Unacademy's logo once. I'll do it again. Okay, and I'll create favicon, and I won't download it because obviously I've already downloaded it. When you click on download it, download the generated favicon, you're gonna get a zip file. Okay, when you get the zip file, all you have to do is get that zip file inside your VS Code. ठीक है, तो zip file पूरी नहीं चाहिए. I just want the favicon. So I'll go to my downloads. I'll go to the .ico file and I'll get it to my VS Code and I'll copy it in my folder. Okay, so can you see favicon.ico over here? No, you can't see. I'll show it to you. So you can see favicon.ico. So now if I want to add this favicon in my title, I will have to use the link tag, and I will have to link it to my HTML file. And how do I do that? The first thing is I'll just remove this meta. It's just irritating and not needed. Yeah. So now I'm going to use the link file, link tag, and I'm going to just write icon over here. And in href, I just need to give the name of the file, which is favicon. Acha, you can't see, right? I'll just get it back. Yeah. So I'll just name it favicon.ico. Enter. I'll just share it, and now see how it changes. Okay, I'll hit Control S. Does it change? Not yet. Let me check. Okay. It doesn't, because I haven't given the command in my CSS file till now, and I haven't created a CSS file till now. That's a very bad thing. So I need to put up a style sheet. I'll create a file called as style.css. Okay. Then I'll also link that file over here, link style sheet, style.css. So I linked an icon, I named it an icon, I linked a style sheet. What is a style sheet? That whatever you're coding in HTML, you will style it, you will give it colors, you will give it better things, and you will put it over here. Okay? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, guys. Come on, give me a yes or a no. Okay. I'll hit a Control S. Okay. Chalo. So now we are halfway done with our this thing. We are almost there. The only last thing is that I also need some fonts. Okay. I also need some fonts and some logos. So I already have found out a lot. So this I won't put right now. Let me just put it out later. Okay. I'll just do one thing. I'll tell you about this command in the end of the session. Don't worry about that. So this command you don't have to worry about, and you'll be looking at this command in the end of the session. Okay. Now the first thing is that I have to add an heading and add a heading. Sorry. And how do I add a heading? Okay. So basically, you remember what we were doing? We were putting cloud images. Yeah. So I need the cloud images also. So let me find some cloud images in my PC. 1 second. I might have some. Okay, I do. Okay, I do have this. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it in my HTML CSS folder. Okay, so can you see I got a cloud.png over here? I did, right? So now what we are going to do is kind of code everything in our body, because we need to start coding our body up. And first of all, what we are going to do is get our body ready. Okay? अब body में क्या क्या चाहिए? We need headings. We need different things. So same goes for your CSS. CSS maybe you need to code your body, then you need to code your headings, you need to code everything different. Okay? Understood? So if I just want to add an image in my body, what am I going to do? I'll just use a div tag, means just, sorry, not a div tag, Control Z. I'll just use a div tag. Okay. And now I'm going to add an image. How do I add that image? Using my what? Image tag? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, guys. Yes. And I am going to make the source as cloud.png. Alternative, I'll name it as cloud. Okay, what is alt? What is alt? Alt is basically the alternative output to this PNG. So if someday I give this project to somebody and I don't have this PNG anymore, this cloud word will be displayed over there. So the person knows that I need to add a cloud image over here. Okay? Yes or no? And now when I see my website, I have a cloud over there. Okay? Understood? I have a cloud. Can you see the cloud? Chalo. Now, I will also not forget that I will have to design these clouds. So I'll add two clouds, one on the right, left, maybe one on the top, one on the bottom. So what I'll do, I'll just add a class over here and I'll name this class as top cloud. Okay. So what is class? Basically, I'm creating a name for this file. I'm creating a name for this cloud, the cloud which is there on the top, that I'll name it as top cloud. And then I'll make one more image. I'll name the class as bottom cloud and I'll add another cloud over there. But what is the work of class? I'll use this class in CSS file to design that cloud. Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes, class helps in CSS. So maybe if you just write here as dot okay, we'll do that later. 1 second. Let's just do this first. Okay, so in this we have our cloud now. And what else do we need? We needed a cloud, then we needed my name. Okay, so now I'm gonna write, how do I add text? How do I add text? I need to add a h1 tag and I'll just say, 1 sec. Okay, and I'll just say I'm Kabir Singh. ठीक है, enter, Control S. Let's see क्या होता है. Okay, I got I am Kabir Singh over here. ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है? This looks very weird right now because what we planned was not nowhere close to this. We planned something like this. ठीक है? And now we are getting something like this. So there's a lot of difference. There's just one cloud in this. So very different. Okay. So let's go. Let's remove the project from the stream. Yeah. So now this is what we have got till now. Not much of a coding, not much of a task, but yeah, till now I guess it's good. Okay. Now I'll just add one more heading over here. I feel like adding something just below my name and I feel like calling it my thing like this. Okay, and I want to add something like that says I am a programmer, so I'll just say but again I just don't want to go and just say I'm a programmer. I want to do it something like this. ठीक है, मैं दिखाता हूँ. I want it to come like a pro grammar and I want the pro to be underlined. So I am a pro programmer kind of a thing. So I'm a programmer. Okay, I want something like this. So how do I do it? ठीक है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, दैट आई नीड टू स्पैन माई प्रोग्रामर वर्ड. ठीक है, स्पैन क्यों करना पड़ेगा? बिकॉज आई नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट द प्रोग्रामर एंड द ए इन माई एंटायर H2. So what am I going to do is put up a span tag over here, and inside the span tag I'm going to name it as class, and I'm going to name it as pro, and I'm going to name it as pro, and outside the pro I'm going to put the grammar. ठीक है, understood? Understood? Yes, easy, nothing much. And now why have I done this? So that I can underline my pro. Okay, so let's go to my CSS first. I'll just code my body up. Okay, and body should have a margin maybe. So I'll keep my body with a margin. Then I'll also keep the text to the center. I want a better font, but I'll just go with the basics for now. So let's keep the margin as auto maybe. ठीक है, और I'll just keep zero margin over here. ठीक है, margin zero चाहिए. Then I need text align. My text should be aligned to the center. बराबर, not much of a not very difficult. And I also want a font, but I'll do that later. ठीक है, coming to my H1. So right now what I have done is basically only about my body, and let's see if I hit Control S, does something change? Does anything change? Okay, a programmer comes over here, but still I'm not getting, what does EM do? It kind of goes to the italics of your thing. So if I remove the EM, see, if I remove the EM, okay, and I hit Control S, so let's see what happens. So the italics goes away, and now if I go back and I do Control Z twice and I hit Control S, you'll get back the italics. Okay, so I wanted it in italics just for a styling, so I got it. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड यार, ये सेव कैसे नहीं हुआ? One sec. Control S. Yeah, I got it back. ठीक है. The next thing which I want to do is basically style my H1. And to style my H1, I'm going to give it margin, I'm going to give it a font, I'm going to give it a font size, and I'm going to give it a font color. Everything is going to be given. ठीक है. So let's go to my H1 over here. H1. So I'm going to give it a margin. So I want it to be 50 pixels from above, that is top. I want it to be auto from the right, 0 from the bottom, and auto from the left. So what is all this? Just my kind of design. I want it to be 50 pixels down from the top of the screen. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I wanted 50 pixels down from the top of the screen, auto from the right, auto from the left, 0 from the bottom. How do you check if two different input of types of type files have same file or not? I didn't get your question, Abhijit. ठीक है, इसके बाद I want to give it a font family. Font family. And I want it to be okay, I'll just copy the font. That's better. ठीक है, Then I want to give it a font size. I'll keep it 90 maybe. And I want to give it a font color, but I'll give the font color later when I'll be coding up my other stuff. Let's see what happened. Okay. Can you see? My website suddenly got center aligned and I got a font on Kabir Singh. Okay. Pretty good. Not a bad start to my code. Not a very bad start. Isn't it? Yes or no? Let's go to my H2 and code my H2 now. Yup. You think I should code my H2? Yup. So, coding my H2, I'll just again get a font, which I found out. Get a font over here. After my font, I would like to give it a font size. So, let's give it a font size of 2.5 EM. So, kind of italics 2.5. Not that bad. Color, I won't give it right now. Font weight would be normal, not bad. And I would kind of give it a padding. Padding means I'm going to give it, stuff it up with a border kind of a thing. So, it looks good. Let's Control S this thing. Let's see what happens. Okay. Kind of changed. Yeah. If you can see, it changed. And I am Kabir Singh is over there. And yeah, we'll do everything. Don't worry. But we're just starting right now. So not bad. Yeah. Let's keep the font weight as normal, I guess. Now it's better. Okay. But sir, till now, I am not getting something which was didn't get italic. No, it's not italic. It's kind of increasing the boundary and all that. Okay. So I don't think it's very bad till now. But let's also add another cloud. So I want to add one more cloud in this division. I want to add an image. I want the source to be cloud dot png. I want the alt to be cloud. I want the class to be bottom cloud. Okay. Let's hit Control S. Let's see if I get another cloud. Okay, I get another cloud. I get another cloud, boys. And now the only task which is left is to position these clouds, one on the top, one on the right, somewhere like that. Position them up and maybe get some more clouds on the top or the bottom. And but I am kind of loving it till now. Yes or no? Okay. Guys, the best part about web development, app development, all these things is you kind of get to use your brains a lot. You kind of get, and that's why I make projects in front of you so that you can give me ideas. Do you understand? Do you understand? So I have 11 people watching. Do you want me to show you what this project is going to look like by the end of the project? Give me a yes or a no. Just one yes. Just one yes. I expected more, but okay. Just two yeses. Okay. So we won't be seeing that right now. Okay. It's a surprise which you'll be getting in the 6:15 wala session. Till now, do you have any doubts? Yes or no? If you have any doubts, give me up in the chat, or you have any ideas, give them up in the chat. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me fast. Do you have any doubts? Okay. So now I'll tell you what we are going to do. Basically, we are going to kind of background color this project. There will be a background color. There will be two clouds. There will be my name. There will be my a programmer kind of a thing. We'll come down. We'll have a picture of mine, and then it's gonna say, hello, I am Kabir Singh, I am an educator at Unacademy. Then we'll just put some dotted lines. We'll go to my skills. We'll add all the skills one by one. So we'll add C++, Java, DS Algo, Flutter, Dart, HTML, CSS, DBMS, SQL, blah 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 blah. Then we'll add get in touch, and then we'll add one by one all the contact informations, maybe my GitHub, my LinkedIn, my Instagram, then my Telegram, my Discord server, etc etc. Correct. And after that, we'll have a last bar saying copyright 2021 to Kabir Singh. That's all. Sounds good? Yes or no? Does it sound good? Yes or no? Okay. So we will be meeting again in the next 15 minutes. All I want from you guys, please, if you have these 15 minutes, can you call your friends for the same? We have just started. We can make a more better project with more people so that we have more ideas. So get more people if you can, and try getting your friends, at least your best friends, 2 to 5 people. You guys can come up, we can make the project together. So I'm giving you a 15 minutes break. Have a cup of coffee, have a cup of tea, call your friends up if you can. It's gonna be really good if you invite your friends to the session. So exactly at 6:15 I'm going to come live again. You can call your friends also. Join the Telegram channel if you want the link, because I'll be sending the link to all my WhatsApp groups, Telegram channel. So that's all. So if you want to join in, join the Telegram channel. Okay. Yes or no, boys? Give me a yes or a no. Are you guys having fun making this project? Yes or no? Because I personally am having fun. We'll download a good image for the first page. So we'll add a little cute kind of a background color, a soft color with two clouds, a good image in the front, maybe anything. Let's see. I'll just find it in the 15-minute time, and then we'll start making the project, because I am also making it from scratch with you guys, so using ideas. So let's see what we make, where we reach. Okay. Light blue background. Yeah, I guess light blue is going to be a very soft and cute background for the same. And yeah, that's what. See, all these ideas are the main things which we want. So just call your friends up, guys. You have 15 minutes. You know I'm coming live back in 15 minutes. Just go call your friends up and tell them we are going to make a project together. Don't tell them it's a class. Tell them it's a live session where an educator is going to make a project with you guys using your ideas. So, sir, image is not displayed, but code is correct. I guess you might have not put up the right path for the image, or you wouldn't have used the image tag or closed the image tag, something like that. Check that out. Okay, so I'll meet you back in exactly 15 minutes, guys, and I'll see you in the next 15 minutes. Thank you so much for joining in. Come back soon. get your friends along. I want at least 2 to 5 more people from you guys. Like, just get them, we'll have fun. Okay, bye bye guys.